Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen. Today's recipe I'm going to share with all of you a honey bun cake. And my friends, it is simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and the best part, no mixer required. We're gonna put a cinnamon brown sugar filling in the middle, and we're gonna put a glaze on it. It's sure to make your mouth water. And if you're a fan of honey buns, y'all gonna love this cake. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my sweet potato honey bun cake recipe and my previous video, semi-homemade carrot cake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your cinnamon, your brown sugar, and turn on your oven sugar, because we're about to bake some honey bun cake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make our brown sugar filling. In my bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And give this a stir until it's well incorporated. And also you can add in some chopped pecans or chopped walnuts, add in about 1/3 of a cup. But I'm just keeping it simple. Alrighty, so now we're going to set this aside while we work on the cake batter. In my large bowl, I have 1 package of buttered golden cake mix, or you can use the yellow. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of my favorite milk in the world, evaporated milk. 3/4 of a cup of canola oil. Going to make it super moist. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, real mayonnaise, and 4 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to give this a quick whisk. We're going to mix all these together until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the cake batter. Nice and whipped. That looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour half of the batter into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that I greased with baking spray. So now we're going to sprinkle the brown sugar cinnamon mixture that we made earlier on top. Got to give it some sugar. This is going to be so good. Ain't nothing like brown sugar and cinnamon. I love me some honey buns. Love them since my childhood. Used to eat some with my grandmother when I go to her house. Brings back memories. Alright, so now we're going to pour the rest of the cake batter right on top. So using my spatula, we're just going to spread it evenly. Or you can use a butter knife. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with this and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I'm through spreading my cake batter. Got some nice swirls. Now we're ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven and we're going to let it bake for 40 minutes. My friends, it smells fantastic up in this kitchen. I have taken my honey bun cake out of the oven. So now while it's still warm, we're going to drizzle on the glaze. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of powdered sugar that's sifted with a 1/4 of a cup of evaporated milk and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And I stir all of them together until they're well incorporated. Time to give our cake some more sugar. Ooh, yeah, baby. Hope everybody got their sweet tooth ready. Gonna spread it. Perfect. And there you have it, my friends. Honey bun cake. That'll look delicious. So now I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes, and then I'll cut me up a slice and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And look at the cinnamon brown sugar swirl in the middle. Isn't that gorgeous? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Mmm. The cake is nice and tender. I can taste that brown sugar cinnamon swirl. This is just like eating a honey bun. This is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Honey bun cake-licious. Many thanks, my friends, for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.